No, don't brush like that. That's bad for your gums and can cause gum recession. That's better, but don't use so much pressure. And don't forget, you need to clean along your gum line as well. Now that's good. But let me show you an easier way to brush your teeth.
Hi dental fans, I'm Dr. Rich, helping you learn about dentistry and teeth so that you can have a very nice smile. Hit the subscribe button to not miss my weekly videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to brush your teeth and also explain the key points of brushing. I find it helps to understand why you are doing something so that you can do a better job. So the main reason you brush your teeth is to clean them. Brushing removes food particles as well as plaque which grows on your teeth. By removing the plaque before it turns into tartar, there will be less buildup on your teeth. Less tartar and plaque on your teeth means you're less likely to get a cavity or gingivitis, or even worse, gum disease. Proper brushing will clean the sides and the biting surfaces of your teeth. You'll still need to floss to properly clean in between your teeth. I'll leave a link to my How to Floss video down in the description, as well as up here on my left, so that you can learn how to floss properly. And now, let's brush! The first key point is to hold the toothbrush so the bristles point at a 45-degree angle towards your gums. This allows the bristles of your toothbrush to go below the gum line a little bit. The second key point is how you hold your toothbrush. Most people hold it in their fist like this. That's fine as long as you don't use too much pressure. How do you know if you're using too much pressure? Well, if your toothbrush looks like this, then you're using too much pressure. If that's how your toothbrush looks after using it for a month, I'll recommend you hold your toothbrush with just your fingertips, like this. That way you won't be able to use as much pressure while you brush your teeth. Now here's the motion I want you to use. Start by holding your toothbrush with the bristles at a 45-degree angle to your gums. Then move the brush in little circles like this. This way you are cleaning the entire side of the tooth, and you are also cleaning underneath your gums a little bit. Okay, so now that you have the circular motion down, on to key point number 3. Key point number 3 is to brush all your teeth on all sides. The best way to make sure you brush all your teeth is to find a consistent pattern to use when you brush. Then use that same pattern every time you brush. What I do, since I'm right-handed, is I start on my lower left on the cheek side. I make sure that I'm starting all the way in the back on my wisdom tooth. In order to be able to reach that far back, only you open your mouth about halfway. If you open really wide, your cheek gets stretched too tight and prevents you from reaching the side of your teeth all the way in the back. By being open only halfway, there's more space for your toothbrush to get in between your teeth and cheek. I make sure I'm holding the brush at a 45-degree angle, pointing at my gums. I start making little circles with the toothbrush and slowly move along the gum line without picking up the toothbrush. I then make my way over to my right side. You'll notice I have to shift the toothbrush as I move from left to right. Once I reach my last molar on the right, I move the toothbrush to the tongue side. Hold it with a 45-degree angle, pointing towards my gum, and start moving the brush in little circles while slowly moving it along the gum line till I reach the tooth I started on. If your mouth fills up with toothpaste suds, feel free to spit at any time. I then repeat the process again, so now I've brushed all my lower teeth on the sides twice. I then move up to the upper teeth on the left and do the same thing. Once I've made 2 passes around my upper teeth, I'll use the toothbrush to clean the biting surfaces of my teeth. I do this by just scrubbing back and forth with the toothbrush about 10 times. This motion is not good for your gums, but the biting surfaces of your teeth are very hard and you won't cause any damage. Make sure you do this in all 4 corners, top, bottom, as well as on the right and left sides. Lastly, I do the same thing to clean my tongue. But hold up! So you're probably thinking, what kind of dentist is Dr. Rich? He never told me how long I'm supposed to brush my teeth for. Well, I'm more concerned with how you brush your teeth. Because if you follow my recommendations in this video, you'll find that how I'm recommending you brush your teeth will take you about 2 to 3 minutes. So you don't need to set up a timer, just follow a proper toothbrushing protocol and the brushing time will take care of itself. But if it makes you feel better, go ahead and set a 2-minute timer on your phone. If you only go by brushing time, With a timer, you could spend 2 minutes brushing, but you might miss spots in your mouth. You'd have spent the time, but your teeth will not be clean. Focus on the process and you will get results. Your dentist will be impressed at your next checkup appointment. So now that you know how to brush and floss, do it every day. Do you have a favorite brushing style or technique? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks very much for watching and see you soon.